Hello, welcome to this lecture. My name is Shekhar. I'm software engineer from past 2 decades. This is the course is PostgresQL Complete Bootcamp. This is the SQL course we have designed for beginners to learn as a level of programmer in SQL statements preparation. Like see here in the course introduction here, the complete SQL from scratch, the bootcamp, PostgreSQL server we have used to implementing the program structure. In this course is designed for SQL beginners, software professionals, and business professionals to know about SQL and SQL statement standardization and uses of the SQL. You can use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete program at any time, and you can avail to learn 24/7 manner by using your computer system or mobile phone where internet facility is available, and learn at any time from anywhere using internet with the mobile or computer system as well. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical examinations and exercises as well as assignments given to you, as well as the assignment will provided you to the solutions as well. How to get help? Check with your knowledge using the documents which we are going to providing, and revising that sessions of video sessions which is the lecture of previous, by knowing understanding of exercise how to resolve and crack the assignment. For instance, quick help, you search on Google or use the Stack Overflow search where you are exactly getting an error ID. Based on that ID, if you are searching in a Google, you will be able to know an intermediary and instant quick help on immediately. Or else submit your questions on QA and question and ask forums or the details of Udemy as well as the forum which is available in this online platform. We will help you. We have tried to give you a solution as early. And try with the screenshot an error SQL query participated with the searching of the Google. And how to approach the course? Best way to approach the course is review the videos with your practical hands-on sessions, follow the video guide with documents, extra information for practice of the notes, and review the certain information by doing exercises of examples, and follow the parts of video sessions where you are going to practicing that particular review the session. You have to revise it, and once again you have to view that particular session of a lecture, then you will have an understanding about the concept. The certification of the completion you will get from this course, and achieve your career goals with a very easy manner, and enroll today to have for full curriculum sessions and the lectures we have going to see. And enroll today. I'm welcoming you to in this session. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.